Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are fine. So, today we are going to start your next topic of grammar, which is determiners. So, let us see what are determiners. So, if we look at the definition of determiners, determiners are the words that specify or determines the references of nouns and noun phrases. So what does it mean? Means it will these are some kind of words which will specify or determines the reference of the nouns and noun phrases. Means items used in almost every sentence like articles, possessives and demonstratives are all determiners. Like articles, if we use a and the, and possessives like my, mine, ours, theirs, or the demonstrative like this, that, these, those, all these words are your determiners. So for example, in this example, several people agreed to what was said. So before noun, people, several word is mentioned, so which describes about the quantity, or it specifies about people. So several here is a determiner. Next is the red box has many, has all my important paper. So again, the word the is given before the red box, so again it is a determiner, which is an article. So like this, all these words like several, the, many, much, all these words are determiners. This, that, these, those, like possessives, many, much, all these words are determiners. So let us see one by one. So here there is a classification of determiners. Classification, we will categorize determiners into three categories. First of all, like articles, possessives and demonstratives. So let us see the articles first of all. So an article, there are three types of articles: a and the. So a and an, these are used before singular countable nouns. As we know that these are used before singular countable nouns. So first is, look, the plant has new flower. So if we, yes, so look, the plant has a new flower, and is used here, article. Then we need an artist to plan to paint all our window glasses. So like this, and here is an article. So we use simply a and an are used as a single countable before single countable nouns. And how we will use, as you know that in articles, we have done that in articles. Then the, used to refer to specific things like the red car in front of the house is new, or the old man and the young boy went for a walk. So here in first sentence, the red car in front of house is new. So means we are talking about a particular car. We are not talking about randomly any of the car. We are talking about a particular car which is there in the front of the house. So that particular car is of red color. So that is why we have used the article the red color, the red car in front of the house is new. Then the old man and the young boy went for a walk. So again, the is used to refer to specific things or persons or places. So moving to the next one now. Next comes your demonstrative determiners. So this, that, these, those, all are your demonstrative determiners. So like, can you give me this pen? Those children are quite naughty. So this or that or these, those, these words demonstrate about any kind of object. So these are your demonstratives or demonstrative determiners. Then comes possessives. As you know, possessive like words like my, yours, his, hers, its, our, all these words are possessive. So our house is on a hill, their car broke down in front of the mall. So like words like this, these words like ours, theirs, they you can say these words tell you about the belongingness of something. So that is why these are called possessives. So again, possessives are a kind of determiner. Next is, so now there is an exercise, students, there is an exercise for you people. So fill in the blanks with suitable determiners. What we have to do in this exercise, we just have to fill in the blanks with suitable determiners. So you can use any of the determiner which you feel like these are the suitable ones. So first is I waited for dash friend. So we can simply use the determiner my possessive one. So what will be the answer here in the first blanks? I waited for my friend. So next is dash new hat. First answer is my. Then dash new hat that Navya bought is quite odd. So simply we are talking about a particular hat which Navya has bought. So we will use a specific, you can say, word. So the word is the new hat that Navya bought is quite odd, because we are talking about that particular hat. So the will be the answer here. Next is we had a great time when we visited dash sister. So here we are talking about we are using the word we, so we are talking about plural in plural sense. So here again we will use this possessive, you can say, determiner. Which possessive determiner? Not my here we will use are, because in the starting of the sentence we are using the word we, here we were using the word I. So we had a great time when we visited our sister, so R will be the right answer here. So then, can you buy me dash cycle, dad? So again we are talking about, again and again we are talking about, you can say, one cycle, so singular thing we are talking about. So there is nothing special about that cycle. We are not specifically demanding for any kind of cycle. Simply we are saying, can you buy me a cycle, dad? So here simply we will write the article a. Can you buy me a cycle, dad? So like this. So next is, do you remember dash time we went to Goa? Do you remember dash time we went to Goa? So now we are talking about a specific time at which we went to Goa. So to denote that specific time, we will use the article the. Do you remember the time we went to Goa? So the will be the right answer here. Next is, please put dash files in dash big drawer. So please put dash files in dash big drawer. So please put these file will be also the right answer, and these some files can also be used. So both answers are correct. Please put these files, or please put some files in the big drawer. Her second fill up, the answer for second fill up will be the big drawer, because we are talking about a particular drawer which is having a big size. So we will denote that by the word the. So the correct article here will be the. So the answer for the both fill ups, please put some files in the big drawer. So seventh is, leave dash assignments on the dash desk, the professor said to the class. So leave the assignments on the desk. So what, because the professor is talking about particular assignments and he is asking to leave those assignments on a particular table or desk, so that is why both the fill ups will, you can say, the right answer for both the fill up will be the. So leave the assignments on the desk, the professor said to the class. Next is, in dash time there were no TV or computers. In dash days life was so much better. So we can simply say, in our times, or in our times, or in our time there were no television or computer. In those days life was much better, or much simpler, or whatever it is mentioned here. So much better. So in our time there were no TV or computers. In those days the life was much better, so much better. So next is, who is dash new girl in the dash class? So next is for, you can say, ninth one, who is the new girl in the class is the right answer here. I hope you understood it. It's very simple. Next is, when will you return dash English workbook? So we will simply ask any of our friends that when will you return my book or my notebook? So similarly this is the same kind of sentence, when will you return my English workbook? Simple answer. So I hope you have understood it very well. So let us move to the next one now. So then comes your determinants of quantity or quality. So the words like much, many, more, or good or bad, so like these words are your quantity or quality types of determiners. So if we talk about, we have done this in nouns also. So with countable nouns, what kind of determiners we have to use? With uncountable, or some are, there are some, you can say, determiner which we can use with both countable and uncountable. This we have already done in your noun chapter also. So let us take a quick reading of this. So many pencils, with countable like many, a few, several, these kind of words are used. And with uncountable, much, little, no water. So like this, much juice, many, we will not say many juice, we will always say much juice. So the things that cannot be counted but can be measured, with those we use the word much. And the things can, those things that can be counted, with those, you can say, things, we use the word many. Like similarly, happens in the case of few and little, we use the word few with countable things, and the word little with uncountable ones. So I hope it is clear. So then there are some words that can be used with both countable and uncountable. So like all the pencils, some pencils, most, enough, no, any. So these words can be used with the countables or uncountables as well as. So like all the pencils or all the water, some pencils, some water, give me some water. So like this, we use the word some, commonly used with the sentence. So water is uncountable actually, but we can use the word some. So most, so most of the water, most of the river water is polluted these days. So like this, we can use these kind of words with countable also and with the uncountable also. So I hope it is clear to you. So let us move to the next one. Next is your determiners of number. So if we talk about number means to say 1 to 3. So what are the different words that can be used to denote, you can say, numbers? So that are called your determinants of numbers. So first is, when we use numbers before a noun, they function as determinants. So if we are using any number before any noun, so it means that number is acting as an determiner. So next is, numbers can be now be divided into two types, like cardinal numbers, and second one is your ordinal numbers. So let us take first of all, what let us talk about cardinal numbers one, firstly. So cardinal number tells us about quantity of something. Like we will take 5 minutes to reach, or there are 10 packets of noodle, or I have 5 pencils in my bag. So like this, we are talking about the quantity of something, or the number, quantity in numbers. So like these words are called 5, 10, 2. So these words called, you can say, these are called your cardinal numbers. On the other hand, like first, second, or you can say, like these kind of words are called your ordinal number, which shows the sequence. He is standing fourth in the line, so he is standing at fifth position in the line. So like this, these words are denoting something, you can say, which is in sequence with other things. So that word is showing the position of that particular thing in a sequence. So that word, are those numbers are called your ordinal numbers. So like first impressions are not always correct. So we will commonly say first expression is last expression, but sometimes it's not true. First expressions are not always correct. We sometimes build up, you can say, different kind of perception about a person because of his or her first impression, but that is sometimes not true. So first impressions are not always correct. So here word first is a, you can say, odd, is an ordinal number. It shows the sequence. So I hope it is clear to you. Next, there is an exercise based on these. So, correct the following sentences if they are wrong. So, simply what we have to do, we have to read the sentence, and we have to check the kind of, you can say, word, determiner word used in that particular sentence. So, let us see if it is correct or not. First is, Sunil repaired the tap after wasting many water. So here this many is odd. It is looking very odd in this sentence, because in water is uncountable, and with water we use the word much. So here many is the wrong word, much is the right answer here. First one. Then how much paint do we need? So how much paint do we need? So we are talking about the quantity of paint, and paint is uncountable. Anything that is liquid is uncountable. So here we are already using the word much, so this sentence is already correct. There is no need of correction in second one. Second is correct. How much paint do we need? So it is correct. Third is, can we have little salt please? So can we have little salt please? The words like little, few, we have to use the word a along with these, otherwise it you can say it is of a negative sense. So we will use the word a here. Can we have a little salt please? A little means we are talking about very small quantity of something, so we have to write the word a little. So can we have a little salt please? Next, second done, third done, then let us talk about fourth now. So no marks will be given to a partially correct answer. No marks will be given to a partially correct answer, so there is no problem in this sentence, this is correct. Next, if we talk about fifth one, please leave 5 minutes after the chief guest has departed. So again, I think yes, there is no need of correction. This sentence is right. Please leave 5 minutes after the chief guest has departed. के chief guest के चले जाने के 5 मिनट बाद आप जा सकते हो यहाँ से. So there is no problem in this sentence also. Please leave 5 minutes after the chief guest has departed. So sixth one is, there are not much left-handed people in our group. So now look at this sentence carefully, students. So we are talking about left-handed people. So left-handed people means we are talking about people which are countable. So number of people we can count, and they are writing the word much. So much here is wrong. So we will write the word many. There are not many left-handed people in our group. So this is the right answer for sixth one. So if we talk about seventh now, there is a little hope. So a is again missing. There is little hope of the test happening today. So we are talking about the hope of something that is means we are having very little, means not, means we can say we are having the hope that it will not happen. So it is kind of negative, you can say. So that is why a little, there is no need of a little. This sentence is already correct. There is little hope of today's test, or the of the test happening today. So this is correct one. Next is eighth is, the truck delivered much boxes of engine parts. So again, I hope you can find the mistake in this one. Easily you can judge the mistake of this eighth sentence. So truck delivered many boxes of engine parts, not much boxes, because boxes are again countable. So ninth is, give them some more money. Ninth is, give them some more money. So again, this is correct. There is no problem in this sentence also. So tenth is, Uncle Shankar has not many knowledge of history. Uncle Shankar has not much knowledge of history. So we can't measure the, you can say can't count the knowledge. Knowledge is not a countable thing. So here many is wrong. We will write the word much. Uncle Shankar has not much knowledge of history. Next is, do you have any information about the change in our examination schedule? So this is very correct sentence. There is no problem. Do you have any information about the change in our exam schedule? So whenever we ask any question, we use the word any. So like this is correct. Then if we talk about 12th, this corner of the hall get few fresh air. So few fresh air is, you can say this looks very odd. So the right answer here will be, this corner of the hall gets some fresh air. So some fresh air will be the right answer here. So I hope it is clear to all of you. So let us move to the next one now. Again, there is an exercise, students fill in the blanks with the correct determiners, and again you have to fill the correct most appropriate determiners. There can be more than one answer also. So let us talk about the more appropriate words that can suitably fit into these blanks. So let us talk. First is, dash cakes are made with egg, butter, flour and sugar. So if we look at this sentence carefully, dash cakes are made with eggs, butter, flour and sugar. So if we talk, if we you can say, if we think about this, we know that all the cakes are made up of eggs, butters or flour and sugar, most of the cakes. So we can simply write the word most. Most cakes are made with the eggs, butter, flour and sugar. Second is, dash class do you study in? So simply we can, if we are asking from some person about his her class, so we simply ask, which class do you study in? So which will be the right answer here. Next is, we always travel dash class when we go by train. So you can write first class, second class, any class you can mention here, first class, second class. So write first class here. So we always travel first class when we go by train. Then please tell dash participant to submit their picture. So please tell each participant to submit their picture. So whenever there is any kind of competition, we ask to submit the pictures or documents from each candidate or from each participant. So please tell each participant to submit their picture. So let us move to next one. Next is year 5th. There is dash slip between the cup and the lip. There is dash slip between the cup and the lip. So yes students, we were talking about, I think we were talking about fifth one. So answer fifth is, there is many a slip between the cup and the lip. So this is a sentence. Then sixth is, we had dash food left over after the party to feed 10 street children. We had enough food left over, so after the party to feed 10 street children, that we are having sufficient amount of food left after the party. So then seventh is, we need to plant dash trees, more trees will be right answer here. So we need to plant more trees, there can never be enough to save the environment. Eighth is, did you find dash decent place to stay? Did you find a decent place? Simply a will be the right answer. Then kindness is a virtue that few people actually practice regularly. So kindness is a virtue that few people actually practice regularly, means very less number of people. So few is the right answer here. Then you can choose any topic for the extempore speech, any topic, either topic. So any topic will be the right answer, either topic is the right answer, any of the word can be written here. So then next is, let us talk about now predeterminers. So students, what are predeterminers? So when we wish to specify quantity in a noun, we use predeterminers before them. Pre means something that is coming prior to any word. So when we wish to specify the quantity in a noun, we use predeterminers before them, means we use that word before that noun. So expressions that multiply quantity, including expressions that end in the words like time, once, twice, 10 times, etc. So these are the words that you can say multiple means tells about the multiplicity of a particular quantity. So like, you need to make thrice this effort to pass, or if I say write these words thrice to practice. So like, these words like thrice, twice means these are telling you about how many number of times. Like in second sentence, he bought the book for 3 times its cost, कि जितनी उसकी प्राइस थी, he has paid 3 times that of that particular cost. So like these words like thrice, three, so these are your expressions that multiply quantity. So like twice, thrice, 2 times, like 10 times, all these words are multiplying quantity. So these are your predeterminers of a kind. Next words that stand for fractions like half, 1/3, 2/3. So 2/3 of the earth is covered with water, and 6%, or you can say 1/6 of the earth is covered with forest cover. So like, these words are telling you about the fractions, like Manish finished off half the ice cream, and he packed only, here is Manish, you can see. So yes, Manish finished off half the ice cream. He packed only one third his belongings, means out of whatever he owes, he packed out of those one third. So we are talking about fractions like this. So then the words like all and both, like I put all my books in the cupboard, or I put all my books in my bag. And did you read both the books, or did you packed both your books and notebooks? So like these kind of words are again, you can say, your predeterminers that are coming before the noun. Here the noun is your books, so all is coming before it. So like these words all, both, and in fractions and multiplier quantities, all these are your predeterminers. Next is, then comes your central determiners. So as the name suggests, central determiners occurs after predeterminers and before postdeterminers. So students, we have already discussed about predeterminers, and next we will discuss about your postdeterminers. So what are central determiners for the time being? Central determiners means which occurs in the center. So it will come after pre but before postdeterminers. So for example, the most commonly used central determiners are the articles like a and the. So most of the times, like articles act like central determiners, like there is half a glass of milk in the fridge. So the word like half is a predeterminer, as we have done earlier. So the what are your post determiners that we talk in the next one. So let us look at the thing like predeterminer, which is the word here is predeterminer is half, and central will come after the predeterminer, so a is coming after half. Then both the friends joined the same college. Again, we have done on the previous page that both is a predeterminer. So after predeterminer, which will come? Central determiner. So the is an article and it is coming after both word, which is a predeterminer. So again, next is again same half and r. So again, half is determiner, which determiner? Predeterminer, and an central determiner. So then the possessives are also classified as central determiners. Most of your possessives also act like central determiners, like I spent all my money at the fair. All my money, all again is your predeterminer, and my is a possessive one. So my is coming after the predeterminer, it means my is the central determiner. So then Hari gave half his share to his brother. Half his share. Half means your predeterminer, and his again possessive, and possessive here is acting like an central determiner. So I hope it is clear to you the central determiners. Next again, the demonstratives are central determiners like this, that these, those, these are also central determiners. If you look at these sentences carefully, so thrice that, four times those, all these, all, thrice, four times, these are your predeterminers, and the words like these, that, those, these are possessives, and these are acting like central determiners here. Next is central determiners include the interrogative determiners like which, what, and whose. Like these words are also your central determiners. Whose pencil is it? Which country in the world is the coldest? So here these words are your central determiners. We call these words the question words, the interrogative determiners, as we consider these as your central determiners. And next is the other central determiner includes like the words if. These are the remaining ones like no, each, every, either. Sometimes they act like your central determiners. So I hope it is clear to you. Next is post determiners. Post determiners means the words that are coming after central. So firstly pre, then central, then post determiners. So cardinal and ordinal numbers are post determiners like 2, 5. These your fifth, fourth, sixth, these are ordinal, and 1, 2, 3, these are cardinal. So cardinal and ordinal numbers are your post determiners. When we left the two children home, it was quite late. So then this is their fourth year in Gopalpur. So these are the words like these are always considered as post determiners, the words which are cardinal numbers like 1, 2, 3, and which are ordinal numbers like first, second, third, fourth, or any. So then journal ordinals like last, next, other, another. These are also your post determiners. Like, do you remember our last meeting? Please try another color. This is too bright. So like the words like are, another, these are post determiners. And next is, when used together, the ordinal always come before cardinals. This is a rule that when we are using both the things, we are using cardinals also, ordinals also, ordinals always come before the cardinals. Like the last 6 runs were scored by Sachin. Here is Sachin, you can look. So last 6 runs means 6 is your cardinal and last is your ordinal word. So ordinal words always come before your cardinals. Like the first 10 children were given the free computer. So again, first is your ordinal and 10 is your cardinal number. So the rule is that ordinals always come before the cardinals. So this you have to remember. So then again, there is an exercise for you people. Now arrange the determiners in the proper order and rewrite the sentences. So now two or three, you can say, determiners are given in a bracket, and you have to specify the correct position of these determiners in the sentence. So first one is, the all children participated in the annual day function. So if you look at these two words carefully, students, we have said that all is your predeterminer, and the articles like and the, these are your middle, or you can say central determiner. Sorry, not middle, it's your central determiner. So the arrangement of these words will change, like all the children, because we have to write all word is your predeterminer, and we have to write before the central, we have to write it before the central. So central is your the, so it will come after all. So all the children participated in the annual day function. This is the right answer. Then during the function we need two your cars. So again, if we look at these words your and two, so your is a possessive, and we have discussed that possessives are central determiners, and 2, 1, 2, 3, these are the numbers, cardinal numbers, and these are post determiners. So the arrangement will be like, during the function we need your two cars. Your will come first and two will come after your. So during the function we need your two cars. Next is, first the two songs in the CD are excellent. So there are three words given, first the two. So now look at these words carefully. First of all, the word is your central, you can say, determiner, because we have done that the articles like a and the are the central determiner. So and rest two are, first and two are your post terminals. So there is no doubt that the will come before two and first. Now if we talk about first and two, which will come before, or which will come first. So first is your ordinal number and two is cardinal. So we have done a rule that always, what happens always, that ordinal comes before cardinals. So the correct arrangement of these words will be, the first two songs in the CD are excellent. The first two songs. So the first two is the right answer in this one. Next is, we bought red 12 roses for her birthday. So again 12 will come firstly and then red. We bought 12 red roses for her birthday. Then all the perfect took the oath, prefects took the oath during the ceremony. So again all will come before the, all the prefects took the oath during the ceremony. Then we must respect our all teachers. So all we must respect all our teachers. We must respect all our teachers will be the right answer here. Then those all who have finished may leave. All those who have finished may leave. So like these kind of words, 2 3 I am leaving for you people to practice more and more. So this is very easy. Just take a you can say look at the rules that are given in previous pages, predeterminers, then central determiners, then post determiners, and then try to solve the things that we have left. Only 2 3 sentences I am leaving for you people to practice. So I hope it is clear to all of you. If there is still any doubt, you can simply go through this video again, and then it will become clear to you. So thanks for listening patiently, and have a nice day.